Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Kenmore refrigerator freezer shelf. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new freezer shelf. The freezer shelf holds your food in the freezer. The minute you should be changing it out if it's lost or damaged. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the freezer door. Once you have the door open, we can reach in and pull the ice bucket out. Once you have it out, you can set it aside. To get the freezer shelf out, we're just going to slide it to the left and then lift up on the right and then slowly lift up on it while you pull the left side out. Once you have it free, you can pull it out of the freezer. Here's the old freezer shelf next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Looks like they don't give you a new protective cap on the new shelf, so we're going to pop this off and put it onto the new one. Once you have it on, we can put the shelf into the freezer. To put the new freezer shelf in, just going to lift it in there with the right side a little bit higher and set the left side in. Then we can lower it down while we press it over to the left. We can put the right feet in, and you can center it. Once you have it in place, we can put the ice bucket in. To put it in, all you have to do is set it on the shelf underneath the ice maker. Once you have it in, you can close the freezer door, plug it back in, and make sure it starts to cool. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.